Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Hello, Chef Michael's Food Hacks here. I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and we are making cream of broccoli today, garnished with cheese. Yummy! Save the stems, I slice them, I put them in the refrigerator. This is where the flavor from the soup comes. Now I have onions in here, garlic, salt, pepper, a pinch of allspice, because I like it, a pinch of cinnamon. All right. Now what we're going to do now is now that I've sweated these for a while, which is the stems only, okay, I'm going to add equal parts of half and half on vegetable stock. You can use chicken stock too. And then I have the thickener in there as well. I have a little cornstarch and a little grits. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and I'm going to turn it down to a simmer, and I'm going to simmer for about 10 minutes. I'm going to blend it with my hand wand, okay? And I'm chopping up the broccoli stems. Okay? That's all done. So now what I'm going to do is take this out real quick, and I'm going to start pouring this into a setup I have over here, which has got a strainer, because obviously you want to strain out the broccoli stems, right? But I want to show you there's a technique to doing this which makes it a lot easier, okay? I'm going to pour a little bit in there. Then what I'm going to do is just press down real quick with this spoon. Okay, I blended this through, I strained it, and then I finished it with just a little bit of lemon juice, a little butter, a little salt and pepper, and just a dash of Tabasco. Okay, that's usually how I finish my cream soups. Anyway, and then what I did was I blended in a small handful of the flowerets, okay? That's how we get our green, after we strained out the stems. And look at how delicious this is. Now, you can serve this for holidays, you can serve it every day. You can also make this ahead of time, cool it off in an ice bath, and then freeze it, okay? I'm just spooning in with a tiny little spoon, with a tiny little, what do you call this, ladle, so it's like I'm in frickin' slow motion. But anyway, so there we go. We got a nice bowl of soup, okay, nice and hot. And what I'm going to do now, if I want to make this broccoli cheese soup, this soup is hot, right? I just add some cheese to it. That's it. Do not put the cheese in after you make the soup and leave it, because when you reheat it, it's going to be a mess. So just do this, and then your guests can make broccoli cheese, or they can garnish it with little broccoli flowerets, okay? And look how nice that looks. I'm such a freak, I gotta be symmetrical. Anyway, there you go. Broccoli cheese soup or broccoli cream soup. Just for you. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.